Hi there, my name's Henry Smith. Welcome to IamWealthyandRich.com, where we are practicing here wealth creation in action. So the I Am Wealthy and Rich statement or affirmation is an affirmation which is very powerful that, among others, that we use and that we believe in, and believe anyone who says that is actually brought a blessing on themselves. So I encourage you to say that regularly on a daily basis. Now, what this is about crypto investing. So I developed a crypto portfolio, which I'm growing and expanding over this year, and I'm tracking the daily results. Started this summer last year in 2020, May, June, and it's grown I think to 6 figures in January this year, and then we started tracking it and making videos in order to show people, lead by example and show people what it's like building a portfolio or growing a portfolio, and also managing the daily swings of the ups and downs. Now, it's not a trader. I'm not a trader. I'm an investor. And also, the other side of things are the mindset, wealth and prosperity mindset training, which we offer free of charge for you to access and actually start developing your prosperity mindset so you can attract wealth. And what I'm going to do right now is going to jump straight into these two equations. By the way, both sides of the equations are important, but I can't touch on that in a minute. I'm going to jump into the screen and share my screen and update today's figures. So share the screen here. So what we have is, I'll come back to this page in a minute. We have this spreadsheet here where I've been updating the figures since 1st of February. And it was 106,000. Each day, it goes up and down. The ups and greens, the red shows that when it went backward for that particular day, and we've got more ups and downs. That's why we're going forward. And I'm not really worried about whether it goes up and down. At the end of the first week, February, it's not end of the first week. At the end of the first month of February, it was 37,860, which was a 35.7% increase. And we continue throughout March. Here we are now approaching the end of March, near the end of March. We're now on the 28th of March. So we had a few days where it went backwards, and now we're going forward again. So I'm going to put today's date in here. And then the time. And so this asset summary here is from one of my portfolios. It comes from a live feed here, updated every few minutes, every 5 to 10 minutes. And so what we have is a Bitcoin, one Bitcoin. This basically is roughly the price of Bitcoin, or at least within the last 10 minutes. What's the price of Bitcoin? One Bitcoin, and then a selection of carefully selected and researched alternative coins, or altcoins as they're known in the space. So, and this is the overall value. This is in dollars, and this is the same portfolio, but it's in pounds sterling, just so that I know the equivalent. So I'm going to take this figure here, 195,705.89. 195,705.89. Is that correct? 195,705.89. Yep. So that's good. So we bring this total down. And that's a 12,000 gain on yesterday. And this one, the overall figure, which is a 252.08143, 252.08143, 252.081.43. Got that correct? Let's see. 252.08143. That's correct. Okay, so that is a let's bring that down. That is a 13,000 gain on yesterday, which is great. It's all good. All good. So, so if I just say that up there, that's great. And like I said, it goes up and down, and we are I don't know, 29, 30, 31. We're 3 days away from the end of the month, and I'll put a total for what this month has been so far. Up further, I mean, there was one particular week between the 8th and the 14th, I believe, that particular week, where it was a $47,000 week. But I'm looking forward to totaling the figures for the whole of the month. So let's come out of here. Actually, I'm not going to come out of here. I'm going to change screens quickly before I come out of here and say, this is our website. When you go to this website, IamWealthyandRich.com. I am wealthy and rich is a statement you want to use for yourself as many times a day as you can. And it's about how to understand the game of money and play it well. Most people do not understand the game of money, yet don't play it well. And so this is the beginnings of how to attract wealth and how to understand the game of money and play it well. And there's a little form, these are some of my previous videos here, but there's a little form on the right-hand side. You need to fill that in. If you're on a mobile phone, it might be at the top or the bottom, I don't know. Just fill in the form, and that will send you the information to get you that millionaire mindset. You need to develop that wealth and prosperity mindset, okay, and an investment strategy. Now, bear in mind, disclaimer, I'm not an investment. Let me just shut up sharing screen. So I'm not a financial planner. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an accountant or CPA. I'm not regulated. This is just what's worked for me from my own experience, which I'm sharing. So understand that there can be risks. Investments do carry risks. So be aware of that. Do your own research and your own due diligence. However, I'm just sharing what's worked for me. And the mindset training was the first part that I started. I did that for some months. And then I was able to attract the wealth I needed to actually have the investments to put in. A lot of people think, I don't have money to invest. So start with the mindset training. It worked for me, and and that is absolutely free. So practice that and then learn some basic investment strategies. And then if you want the more sophisticated ones, we can jump on a webinar, arrange a webinar, invite you to a webinar or presentation to show you about how you can get more information about the selected researched altcoins as well. So but the most important thing, you want to, like I said, work on that mindset. Most people think, just tell me what to do, just give me the specific altcoins and I'll figure it out from there. No, you need the mindset training. The mindset training is key. It's what really made the difference between success and failure. And I'm finding, that some people take it seriously and some people don't. And those who don't, well, shows in your results. So do take it seriously. It doesn't cost you anything to take it seriously. I've made it free of charge for a reason. That way that anybody can actually apply it, can get access to it, should I say. And there's no cost. So there's no excuse. All right. So I'm going to end it today. It's Sunday. I'm going to go on about my business and do some things, and wish you a fantastic rest of the weekend and a great week ahead. This has been Henry Smith. Don't forget, by the way, to like, subscribe, and share this video, and so that YouTube can get it out there and show it to as many people as possible. I really appreciate that. Whatever you're doing, have a wonderful day. Make it a great day, and I will speak to you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.